Big tonnage numbers look impressive. They are easy to put on a spec sheet, easy to promote, easy to point to and say, ours is bigger. But bigger does not automatically mean better. A press can have enormous rated force and still be slow, unstable, poorly controlled, or completely wrong for the process. The real question is not how much tonnage the press can claim, it's how much force it can actually deliver where the work happens. Is that force available throughout the stroke? Can the frame handle the load without excessive deflection? Can the press maintain alignment under pressure? Can it control speed, position, pressure, temperature, and dwell with enough accuracy to produce the same part again and again? Bed size, daylight, stroke, and working speed matter just as much. Because a press with massive force is not very useful if the tooling does not fit, the stroke is wrong, or the machine cannot hold a stable process window. And maximum speed is not the same as productive speed. The press must approach quickly, transition smoothly, form at the correct rate, and return without wasting time or damaging the part. That is what determines cycle time, part quality, tooling life, and repeatability. Tonnage is important, but only when the rest of the press is engineered to use it. Otherwise, you are not buying a better press, you are just buying a bigger number.